right, starting this, I'm gonna make some smoked chicken thighs on this right here. I'm gonna add some wood chips in that. Apple right here, apple wood. Right here. Trying to teach this young boy how to barbecue on a little mini grill. I got soul seasoning right here. Got that smoked paprika. And this right here, vinegar sea salt. It's a secret weapon right there. All right, I'm gonna combine everything, do it on the other side, and I'll be back on the grill, guys. All right, I'm gonna put it on the cold side of the grill. And let them smoke. I think I can only fit 3. Smoke right there. This little thing surprisingly really smokes if you do it the right way. I just put the chicken on the hot side and it's not burnt. For the YouTube police out there, that's a smoke ring because it's been smoked. Now it's on the hot side. I'll be back to plate.
Mad good.
Yeah, you ate the first one. I wanted to get a reaction from you.
All right.
Let me see. What does it taste like? Could you describe it for me?
It tastes like definitely like barbecue. Like kind of like honey barbecue. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, because the cherry, the apple wood actually.
Yeah, something like that. But it tastes good.
Okay. Good or
decent for him.
Yeah, right. This guy killed the first one right here. Couldn't even get a reaction from him.
All right, say peace, both of you guys.
Yeah. Yo, peace. Tune in to the next one. Tell them something, man. Tell the people something.
This food's mid. Don't listen to him.